been a long journey since our clients first acquired this project. We're excited to show you the final product. Let's go take a look around.
When we first identified the property, it was a two-family, a short distance from Tufts University, and it was a clear choice for a condo conversion. For the numbers to work on resale, it was important for us to pick up square footage for both units where we could. That meant digging out the basement. For the top floor, we had to expand to the attic, including 2 dormers on both sides of the property, adding another 2 owner suites to that level, as well as a roof deck. As the project pushed forward, we went through multiple floor plan reviews with our clients to ensure that we were delivering the best product possible. For this project specifically, we were able to secure a great buyer at a great price for Unit 2 off-market pre-construction. This allowed us to move forward with Unit 1 to the spring market with ease and a great game plan. With great craftsmanship, we were shortly able to secure a great offer at a great price for Unit 1, closing out this project.